We all know that investing can be scary. One of the biggest fears is buying in at the wrong time and losing money. But what if there was a way to take the stress out of it? That's where dollar cost averaging, DCA, comes in. DCA is a strategy that involves consistently investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of market fluctuations. It helps smooth out your average purchase price and reduces the risk of making a large, single investment at a market peak. Think of it like buying groceries. You're better off buying a little bit each week rather than trying to time the perfect sale and buying everything at once. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up dollar cost averaging using Spaceship, a popular investment app. It's super easy, and you can get started with as little as $1. First things first, you'll need the Spaceship app. If you haven't already, download it and set up an account. Once you're in, you'll see your dashboard. Now, let's select an investment. Spaceship offers a few different options, like the Spaceship Universe Portfolio, which invests in global tech leaders, or the Spaceship Global Index Portfolio, which tracks a broad range of companies. For this example, let's go with the Universe Portfolio. Tap on the portfolio you want to invest in. You'll see an option to make a one-off investment or set up a recurring investment. This is where the magic of DCA happens. Tap on Set up a recurring investment. Now you get to choose your amount and frequency. How much do you want to invest, and how often? You can choose a weekly, fortnightly, or monthly schedule. For example, you could set up a $20 weekly investment. This is a great way to start small and build your portfolio over time. Next, you'll need to link your bank account. Follow the prompts to securely connect your account. Once that's done, you're all set. Spaceship will now automatically debit your chosen amount from your bank account at the specified intervals and invest it for you. You don't have to do anything else. And that's it. You've just set up dollar cost averaging with Spaceship. You're now consistently investing without the stress of trying to time the market. This disciplined approach helps you stay on track with your long-term financial goals. Remember, investing is a long-term game. The key is consistency. By automating your investments with a strategy like DCA, you're building a healthy financial habit. So, go ahead and set up your own recurring investment in Spaceship. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your portfolio grow. Happy investing!